Morning students, today I'm gonna teach 10th math second chapter triangles, continuation of the previous video. So first question, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. ABCD is a trapezium. So what is trapezium? You have learned in your 9th standard what is trapezium, in which shape it will be. So it will be somewhat like this, right? Trapezium will be like this. So one pair of opposite sides, these two sides will be parallel, right? These two sides are parallel and these two are not parallel. So one pair of opposite side will be parallel and other is not parallel. That is the trapezium. The trapezium will be in this shape. So we'll draw a trapezium for that question. So here we have drawn trapezium. So ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. See, these two sides are parallel and these two are non-parallel. And its diagonals intersect each other at point O. So we have to draw diagonals. So let us draw a diagonal. Diagonals finished. Then intersect each other at point O. So intersecting point we have to take it as O. Then we have to show AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. So AO by BO is equals to CO by DO you have to show. So first, for proving this, what we'll do, first we'll draw a line here, EO parallel to DC. Or we can draw full line, EOF. So we'll draw a line EOF parallel to DC. So we have drawn. So draw a line EF. So we have drawn a line EF through point O. Through point O. Next we'll take this triangle, okay? ADC. So in triangle ADC, what it becomes? EO. This we have drawn what? EF, such that we have drawn the EF line through point O such that EF is parallel to DC. So EO will be parallel to DC, right? So in triangle EO is parallel to DC. Then what we can see, if a line is parallel in a triangle, by using BPT theorem, what we can say? By using BPT theorem, what it becomes? AE by ED is equals to AO by OC, right? AO by OC. Take this as equation 1. Then we'll take the upper one, ABD. Okay, in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, in this, ignore this and all, only this triangle, which is parallel. EO is parallel to AB, right? Again, EO is parallel to AB. So by same way you have to by using BPT theorem, ABD, you have to see this triangle, right? ABD, EO is parallel to AB. So here in this triangle EO parallel to AB. So what will be this side proportion? Same proportion. ED by AE. ED by AE is equals to then DO by BO. DO by BO. Now see this one first equation and this one. AEED is there. So we have to make two equations should get one side equal. So what these are same, right? AED AED, but this is up and down, so we'll reverse it. So how it will be? AE by ED is equals to this, become DO comes down and BO up. So this we can reverse it like this. This is equals to this itself. Okay, AE by ED is equals to BO by DO. Take this as equation 2. Then from 1 and 2, what will you get? From 1 and 2 we get here AE by ED is same, so left hand sides are same, so we can say right hand sides are also equal. So AO by OC is equals to BO by DO. What we have to prove actually? AO by BO is equals to CO by DO, but we got AO by OC, BO, DO. So what we'll do? We'll do the cross multiplication. So what you will get? AO into DO is equals to OC into BO. We'll see what we have to prove again. According to that, we'll arrange it. So AO by BO, CO by DO. So this should be in the numerator. So we'll write AO here, and this will take to other side. So multiplication becomes division. So DO. Here we'll write, we want here in the numerator OC, and this take to other side, it becomes BO. So AO by BO is equals to OC by DO, right? AO by BO is equals to OC or OC, or we can also say CO. It is one and the same. C by DO. So hence proved. Take this homework. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O, such that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So you have to show that it is a trapezium. This is the corners part of the problem which I have proved today. So I have proved one problem. In that, what was to prove? In that they have given it is ABCD is a trapezium. We have to prove this. I have proved this. Now this is the corners of that. Corners part you have to prove. They have given this. You have to prove ABCD is a trapezium. So same way you have to take that same diagram. See, I'll give you some hint to solve that. So do this same diagram, trapezium only, same way like this, and take this two triangle only, ADC and ABD. These two triangle you take and write same way. Okay, same way you have to solve. But what you have to prove is ABCD is a trapezium. So to become trapezium, what is the condition? I have told one pair of opposite sides are parallel, right? So these two sides are parallel. You have to prove that. First you will take one triangle, and this will be parallel, right? Then again you have to take the upper triangle, and that time this and this will be parallel. So from 1 and 2 you have to see, after that you have to prove that this and this also parallel. If you prove AB and CD is parallel, then we can say it is a trapezium. Okay, solve this homework problem. Thank you.